What's up guys, it's all about the Galaxy Beam, and today I show you finally how you can connect the PlayStation 3 controller to the Samsung Galaxy Beam projector smartphone. The phone which has a projector built inside the phone. So you can play your games on a 70 to 100 inch screen that comes out of the projection here. Click on the annotation that comes up now if you want to see me play and if you want to see my latest video. I will do several parts of gaming tutorials, and for now I'm going to talk about the most important facts, including the tutorial how you can connect the PS3 controller to the phone. So what do you need? You need a rooted Samsung Galaxy Beam with Jelly Beam installed, the PS3 controller. I bought the original one and I don't know yet if fake ones work as well. What else you need? You need the Sixaxis pair tool, which is free, which is this one over here. Just download it, but I will come to that later on. And you need the Sixaxis controller app, which will cost you less than €2, which you get on Google Play, which you have to install to your phone. But I will come to that later on. So before I start, it's very important to know those very important facts. You can play 1 to 3 games, 1 to 3 short games on the phone without problems. But after that, the phone gets hot, and it means that number one, your battery can die after it got hot for too many times, which actually happened to me. So I had to, get a new battery, it's not good for the phone. That's number two. And the games become laggy. That's something for sure you do not want. So I found out that the temperature for the phone until 45 degrees Celsius when you play, which is 113 Fahrenheit, temperatures until that point are okay, but when it gets hot, the phone gets the mentioned problems. So that's how it is at the moment. But there are apps that show you the temperature of the phone and the temperature of the battery. Like, I'm going to show you one now. So the one I installed is temperature guard free. This is that one here, and it shows you the temperature here. So when you start to play, it's important to have apps like that. This is just an example. There are more apps like this, and it shows you the temperature here. You can also change it to Fahrenheit. So as I said, when it gets when it has more than 45 degrees Celsius, then you start to have problems. So you have to do something against it. So that's the one of the apps which I showed you now. I use another one, but that doesn't really. The problem is with this one that you have to turn off the Wi-Fi. Because otherwise apps will show. If you want to turn on the Wi-Fi, then well, you have to find an app which does not include apps while the app is running. Sorry, that does not include ads while the app is running. I am using, not this, I'm using another one, and I'm going to put it into the description. But the one I use actually has nothing to do, it's not the temperature app, it's actually an app for something totally different, but in addition it shows you the temperature of the phone. So you can choose which one of those two or any other ones you want to install to check the temperature. So now what can you do against the heat? What can you do to have a good gaming experience? So you can use something which is called, and everybody knows, a fan. So if you put the fan next to the phone, for example, like this, then you will not have problems. Obviously you can use a smaller fan. That's a huge fan over here, but that's just an example. Then what else you can use? You can use an ice pack, which is that. You just put it in the freezer and it freezes, and then you put something like this, a cloth over it, and then you put the phone over it, and like that it cools the phone while you play. I played, for example, Need for Speed Most Wanted for 4 hours, and I didn't have any problems when I used the fan. So as I said, temperature is really the most important thing here. There is something else. There are cooling stickers which I'm going to put into the description. Those are stickers which you can put inside the phone, either on the back cover or onto the battery, and apparently they are cooling the battery and the phone itself. So I did not try them, and I'm going to buy some, and I'm going to give you an update in the description to tell you if it works or not. Now, regarding gaming, you can project games from 0 to 100 inch or more. It also works in daylight, but you have to go closer to the wall or closer to the object that you project on, because obviously when it's dark you can make a bigger projection, and when it's more bright you have to go closer. Me personally, I play on a 70 to 80 inch screen, and you can also play games like Dead Trigger, for example. I played in power saving mode, so that works as well. But as I said, the most important thing is keep the phone cool. Now we come to the next part, and that next part will be how you can actually connect the PS3 controller to the beam. Okay, so you have to download the let me put this a little bit, no, that's okay. You have to download the Sixaxis control app, which I mentioned before. That's this one here. You tap on it and you see the local Bluetooth address, which is this one here. Okay, so next thing you do is you downloaded the Sixaxis pair tool, which is this one over there. You open it and it will look like that, and you have to type in the local Bluetooth address, this one here. You have to type in here. Okay, so after you did that, you have to connect the USB to your laptop and to the PS3 controller over here. And after you do that, it will first install it, and then it will say connected, and then you just click on update here. So once you know you have put the Bluetooth address in here, you click on update, and then the Bluetooth controller has the Bluetooth address, the same Bluetooth address which your phone has. So that's how they can find each other. So once this is done, you just click on start. You press the power button here, so it will blink. And as you can see, it's first listening for controllers, and then it says client 1 connected, and also tells you actually the battery status of the controller. So as you can see here, client 1, it's connected. And that's basically how you can connect the phone. That's really easy, and well, it's no hassle. So in the next video I'm going to show you the gaming setup. I'm going to show you the controller setup and how you can install more games even though the internal memory of the phone is not that big. Follow me on Facebook, on Twitter if you want, and hit the like button and subscribe if you want to see more of my videos and if you want to support me. And thanks and have a great day. See you.